Hello students, welcome back to user defined methods. Today we discuss the important concept that is function overloading. Java language facilitates designing a number of functions with the same function name. However, their parametric types must be different. Such functions are called overloaded functions, and the process is said to be function overloading. Polymorphism is a process of using a function for multiple purposes. Through function overloading, Java implements polymorphism. On invoking the function, it finds the best match of the arguments with the function parameters. That means types and number of arguments should match. To ensure which of the overloaded function is to be called for operation. The system is known as early binding or static binding. Need to use overloaded function. As we know that an object contains state or behavior, data and functions. Sometimes it is intended to perform similar operations with a slight change in the parameters. A number of methods are used to implement a single interface in Java. That means polymorphism. If different function names are used to similar operations, then the users may have a lot of interactions and would require to remember a number of function names at the time of invocations. Hence, it is reliable to use many functions with the same name of similar operations. What are the explanations are there in your book? Don't get confused. When I run the program, you will understand. Defining overloaded functions. A method header contains method name along with a number of parameters. The methods with the same name are treated to be the same if the types and the number of parameters are the same. Hence, the parameter list must be different in their types of numbers for defining overloading function. For example, you can see here int area of int a comma int b, double area. So you can see the number of parameters. Now I am going to run the program. Here I have already created a function name called fun1. I open my program. The program has opened. You can see here. Here I have taken the class name is fun1 and the functions I have taken here it is fun. I am doing here addition. Again one more function name I have taken fun. Here I am doing subtraction. Again I have taken one more function name called fun. Here I am doing multiplication. Again I have taken one more function name called fun. Here I am trying to find the quotient. So what you can observe here, all the function names are same. That's why the definition says all the function name should be same and different arguments or parameters. Look at the first function name, that is what I am doing the addition part. C is equal to a plus b. Function name is f and how many parameters are there? There are two parameters are there, a and b. Both are integer type. So the first function parameters int comma int. Look at the second function. The function name is f. I am doing the operation here. It is d minus a. That means subtraction. How many parameters are there? There is only one parameter, that is integer type. Look at the third one. I am trying to do here multiplication. So fun I have taken the function name, same function name. How many parameters are there? There are 0 parameters. That means I have not taken anything, non-parameterized. And the next one, look at here, I have taken function name f, return type double. How many parameters are there? 2 parameters are there. But if you see the first one, here also 2 parameters are there. That means different type of arguments. Here 2 parameters are int and int. Here two parameters are double and double. This is the difference. Then I have created function name called object called f, which is equal to new f1. Then we can easily invoke. I compile my program. Class compiled, no syntax error. Now we will get some of the errors. What happens? Let us see. Look at here. Int d, I comment int e is equal to 15. You can see here. Now I type here int e. Please look out here. The first function is having two arguments, that is a and b. Second function is having only one argument. So what I do here? Int d, comma, int e. I will give two arguments here. I already commented int e is equal to 15. Let's compile the program. Definitely you will get error. When I place my cursor upon the error, you can see method fun int comma int is already defined in class fun1. That means where we already defined the first function name is fun. There the parameters are int and int. That's why here the error is showing method fun int comma int is already defined in class fun1. Our class name is fun1. It is already defined two types of integer in a parameter. That's why if I take out one is int, another one is float, we can do it. One is int, you can do it. So what I do here, I delete this one int e, because if I give same integer type, it matches with other function. So the compiler gets confused to in which function it has to be executed. I open my comment. Once again, I compile my program. We can see here the class has compiled. The third function is having no parameters. No problem. You can see the fourth function I have taken instead of int and float and I'll straight away I have taken double j double k. I am doing calculation with double only. Double L is equal to j comma k. So when we do calculation with all the doubles, return type also will be double. Get into the main function. Here I have created only one object. The object name is f. F is equal to new f1. Here I am calling f dot fun. Straight away I am passing value f dot fun. Straight away I am passing value f dot fun. So once again I compile my program. I close my program. When I run the program, you can see the output. The sum is equal to 30. The subtraction is equal to 20. The multiplication is equal to 20. The quotient is equal to 2.0. I hope you have understood. Now look at your textbook. A program to find the area of the following geometrical figures to illustrate function overloading, where area of circle is pi r square, area of square a square, area of rectangle length into breadth. Look at here. Here the class name is calculate and you can observe the function names here. It is area, area and area. The first area definition is for circle and second area definition is for square and third area definition is for rectangle. Please observe here area and the argument here they have taken double and it is r. The variable is r, double r. Here the calculation is taking place. Double AR1 which is equal to pi r square. That means 22 by 7 into r into r. That is to find the circle. So since we have taken double as a return type, here also return type will be double. So what happens here? Here they are showing arrow mark. Means it is going to the actual parameters. And the second function name is area to find the square. You can see here. Here they have taken integer type of parameter. In the first one they have taken double type and the second one is integer type. Here only one argument is there. Here also only one. The definition says the function name should be same and different type of argument. In the first one only one argument is there, but this is double type. In second one also only one argument is there, but this is integer type. Let's see the definition. Int AR2 is equal to S into S. That means to find the square, S inside into side. So we are returning AR2. So we are returning integer types. And the third one to find the rectangle. You can see here. Both they have taken here it is double. The first one is only double, second one is integer, and third one parameters both are double. You can see here double AR3 is equal to A into B. That means length into breadth. Return AR3. What happens? All the return statement which comes here. Here they have created object name is OB. The first one to find the circle. That's why they are passing 5.3. Second one is to find the square. And third one is to find the rectangle. So what you can understand here, the function name is area, parameter double R. Here the function name is area, parameter int s. Here the function name is area, parameters are double A comma double B. So the definition satisfies all the function names are same but different arguments. Please go through the program, then you will understand. You can try this program in your BlueJ system. Today we wind up the class. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.